Alrighty, this is Nature Blair. Today we're after the elusive peacock. We're here at Royal Roads University grounds and we're going to see if we can scare up one of these very rare birds today. Now, the trick when hunting peacock is you have to be very quiet. Oh, what's that? I think we found a pair of them already. Yes, there's definitely a pair of peacocks. We're going to try and get a little closer. Now, peacocks are a very deadly species. They're like ground raptors, a mixture of a dinosaur and an ostrich combined with a rattlesnake. I don't know what part of them's rattlesnake, but it's probably the worst part. I have to be very, very quiet when getting close to the peacock. Now we have to be careful not to startle these birds. They can be ferocious and I don't want to die at the hands of one of these deadly peacocks. I think they hear me. They're looking right at me. I have to be very, very careful. Oh blimey, they see me! I've got no choice but to get out of here! This is very dangerous! They're coming up right behind me! Oh, it was a close one. Alright, well that's all for today. I don't think I can handle getting that close to danger again. They're going to be all riled up. Alright, well we'll see you next time on next week's Adventure in the Wild. This is Blair signing out.
Adventures in Nature.